Hi, I'm Temi and this is my September Plan With Me video where I've gone for the graduation theme. Please like this video and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So I am aware that this isn't a natural September related theme, but I really decided to go for it because I will be graduating with my Masters in Mechanical Engineering, yay! And I just thought it was fitting. This is the perfect time for me to be able to do this kind of theme. So I decided to do a graduation cap on top of the September text. I initially went for this yellow to orange gradient because my graduation sash is actually orange, so this theme is basically going to be black with hints of orange. However, as you can see, I coloured over it in black because I really didn't like the way it was looking. So rather than having a quote page, I decided to have just a graduation cap again with a scroll with the certificate. Oh mad. Graduation cap with the certificate with MEng on it, and the MEng is basically my degree title, so some people have MSc MA and mine is MEng. So I also decided to shade some of it in grey and some of it in black, and I blended it together using colouring pencils. All my materials are listed and linked in the description box, so definitely check that out. For my monthly spread, I decided to go for a graduation cap, and I hope this makes sense, but I know in America they're allowed to customize their graduation caps, and a lot of people have loads of really cool stuff and quotes and sayings on the top. So I tried to make that kind of effect where it looked like the monthly calendar was on top of a graduation cap, but kind of looking like post-it notes. That was the idea behind it. It ended up being very simple, but that is what I went for. I also added the tassel at the end. As you can see, I experienced a lot of ghosting with the Beachmore journal, which is obviously not ideal. So for my mood tracker, I decided to draw 30 graduation caps that looked like they've been flung in the air, and I really love this idea, and I drew hands at the bottom as well to look like the actual action of throwing. I really love this, and it took quite long to make sure that I had all of them, and I also drew the tassels blowing in the wind in orange, but I really like the way this mood tracker turned out, especially for this theme. For my habit tracker, I decided to keep it very, very, very simple. If you're familiar with my other spreads, I don't really do a lot for my habit tracker. I just match it to my monthly spread. But for this month, I didn't do that because I wouldn't have been able to fit diagonal caps in. So I just put the orange and the black. I always do a gratitude log to remind me to be thankful, and I use the Stabilo pastel highlighter for the lines for the log. If you're aware of my work, I always keep it simple because it's more functional rather than aesthetic. And on the side, instead of an art brain dump page, I did a quote on a graduation hat which says, "She believed, so she did," because if nothing else, that definitely dictates my journey over the past 5 years of this degree. So finally, for my weekly spread, I haven't done this layout in a while, actually since April. And I decided to do a 2019 blocks on the side with a graduation cap at the top, and I think it just signifies exactly what it is. I also did a present box in the corner, but hopefully with sufficient space for the planning that I'll get to do this week. And here is my final flip through. Remember, all the materials are listed in the description box with links, so if you're interested in any of the materials I used, feel free to have a look there. I post all my spreads on my Instagram, so have a look at temi.journals. And if you're interested in seeing my old spreads, I've been bullet journaling for nearly a year now. I really hope you like this theme. Please tag me in any recreations you do, and like, subscribe and share. I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.